you see good two people falling in love, don't do anything to tear them apart. Because what the Lord has joined together, let no devilish soul put asunder.
I don't want to drama. That was wonderful. A round of applause for them, please. Let's put your hands together for them. What else to be done? Moni Solar Jewelries. A round of applause for her, please. And Olori Jafo. I want to listen before that. And then.
You're watching GboahTv. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
God bless you. Martini! Amen. Martini, brotherly. Flex. Do you know me? Who am I? Aliyah, I cite you. God bless you. God bless you. Aramide, I see you. God bless you. God bless you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please, we need your attention. We're rounding up the marriage, the wedding anniversary. I'm not better birthday proper. But I am waiting for a representative from Evertop Realities to come talk about the property for the last time. If they are not here, I'll have to skip that part of the program. Thank you. Bros. Ní inú ẹ̀yin méjèèjì ta ni ó ní aṣọ jù nínú closet? Ní inú ẹ̀yin méjèèjì ta ló ní bàtà jù nínú closet? Ní inú ẹ̀yin méjèèjì ta ló láti hó jù? Dábì ìrẹ́rì alọ́mọ àkẹ́lọ́wọ́ kẹ. Ní inú ẹ̀yin méjèèjì ta ló láti hó jù? Ọ̀rẹ́ mi ọ̀rẹ́ mi ní ọlọ́rẹ́ èṣù ní gbàjáde pàdé mi lọ́rẹ́ wèrè tíṣà ìbàdí kò wọ ọwọ́ ẹ̀ mọ́ ẹ̀mẹ́. Amen. Hey, I'm for you at the war. Tell them what to do in the day. No bad. It is the man I told my daughter, and that will take us to their fourth. Oh, what did you first dance last year? And I'm not she saw. That will take us to their anniversary dance while we have DJ Remat on.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you.